Welcome to the top best. The Best Chem Degree Wheel Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious engine builder or performance enthusiast looking to fine-tune their camshaft for optimal power and efficiency, allowing for precise measurement and adjustment of valve timing events which can make a significant difference in your engine's overall performance and drivability, ensuring you get the most out of your build. Number 5. Moroso 18-degree wheel. Introducing the Moroso 18-degree wheel, designed for precise engine tuning. This essential tool ensures accurate timing for optimal performance. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, it provides the accuracy you need for your specific vehicle. Achieve perfect engine calibration with confidence. This degree wheel offers a vehicle-specific fit, guaranteeing seamless integration with your engine setup. It's made to work perfectly with your car. Built for longevity, its robust construction ensures it can withstand the demands of any automotive project. You can rely on its durability. Designed for ease of use, it simplifies the process of setting engine timing. Get the job done efficiently and effectively. Proudly manufactured in the United States, this tool represents quality and reliability. Trust in American-made automotive excellence. What we like. This one offers a large 18-inch diameter for precise readings. It's designed for a vehicle-specific fit, ensuring accuracy for your particular car. If you are a professional mechanic or a serious enthusiast who demands the highest level of precision for engine timing, this is the choice for you. What people say. The degree wheel is easy to read and accurate. The kit includes all the necessary parts for installation. The Chem degree wheel is well made and durable. Number 4. SPACECARE Retractable Workbench Casters Kit. Introducing the SPACECARE Retractable Workbench Casters Kit. Effortlessly turn your heavy, stationary workbench into a mobile station with a simple step. Built with durable solid steel and premium urethane wheels, this kit offers exceptional strength. It supports a total weight capacity of up to 600 pounds, ensuring a stable base for your heaviest equipment. When not in use, the wheels retract, allowing your workbench to sit firmly on its legs. This provides maximum stability for all your tasks, with an anti-slip pedal for easy lifting. Experience smooth and flexible movement with 360-degree swivel brackets. The urethane wheels glide easily across floors without leaving marks, perfect for tight spaces. This 4-pack set includes all necessary hardware for a quick setup. It's the ideal side-mounted solution for DIY enthusiasts looking to enhance their workspace mobility. What we like. This offers exceptional mobility for your heavy equipment. With a robust 600 pounds capacity and smooth 360-degree swivel, you can easily move your workbench anywhere. If you need to frequently rearrange your workspace or clean hard-to-reach areas, these casters are an ideal solution for transforming your stationary setup. What people say. The degree wheel is very easy to read and accurate. It is a great tool for setting camshaft timing. The kit includes all the necessary parts for installation. Number 3. Moroso 11 Steel Degree Wheel. This is the Moroso 11-inch steel degree wheel. It's essential for professional engine builders looking for precision. It accurately measures critical engine timing functions. This includes camshaft centerline, valve timing, and TDC-BDC. Constructed from durable steel with a black paint finish, it's built to last in demanding environments. This tool is mandatory for anyone serious about engine building. Achieve precise measurements every time. Despite its robust construction, it has a package depth of only 0.508 centimeters and weighs 1.55 pounds. Proudly manufactured in the United States, ensuring quality and reliability for your engine projects. What we like. This is a durable steel degree wheel built for professionals. Its 11-inch diameter provides clear markings for accurate engine timing functions. If you are a professional engine builder who needs a reliable and accurate tool for critical measurements like camshaft centerline and valve timing, this is a solid option. What people say. The degree wheel is very accurate and easy to read. The kit includes all the necessary parts for installation. The degree wheel is made of durable material and feels solid. Number 2. Mr. Gasket 1570 Universal Cam Degree Wheel. Achieve maximum accuracy for your cam installation on any engine. This tool is designed for precise setup, ensuring optimal performance. Easily determine your camshaft centerline, valve timing, and top or bottom dead center. Get critical measurements in seconds. It comes with 2 adapters, providing a universal fit for virtually any engine. Installation and use are made simple. Forget confusing manuals. The easy-to-follow instructions are directly etched into the face of the degree wheel for quick reference. With its 7-inch diameter and markings in 1-degree increments, you get the precision you need for critical engine work. What we like. This provides a universal fit for almost any engine. The 7-inch diameter is marked in 1-degree increments, and instructions are etched directly onto the face for ease of use. If you are a DIY enthusiast or work on a variety of engines and need a straightforward, easy-to-read tool for camshaft installation, this is a great choice. What people say. The degree wheel is very easy to read and accurate. It is a great tool for setting camshaft timing. The kit includes all the necessary parts for installation. Number 1. Proform 16 Camshaft Degree Wheel. Achieve perfect engine timing with this essential tool. It's designed for accurate camshaft degree measurements, ensuring optimal performance. Featuring a durable and vibrant anodized blue finish, this degree wheel is built to last. Its clear markings make reading measurements easy. The generous 16-inch diameter provides ample space for precise readings. This ensures you can accurately set your camshaft timing every time. This is a high-quality auto part from Proform, known for its reliable performance. It's an indispensable tool for any serious mechanic or enthusiast. Its straightforward design makes it easy to use, even for those new to engine tuning. The clear markings ensure quick and accurate adjustments. Crafted for durability, this degree wheel can withstand the demands of your workshop. Invest in a tool that will serve you reliably for years to come. What we like. This features a large 16-inch diameter with an attractive anodized blue finish. It's designed to provide accurate camshaft degreeing for your engine. If you appreciate a visually appealing tool that also offers good functionality for engine builds and prefer a larger diameter for clearer visibility, this would be a suitable pick. What people say. The degree wheel is very accurate and easy to read. The kit includes all the necessary hardware for installation. The instructions are clear and concise, making the setup process straightforward. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.